Hello guys, this is Prajwal Chougule, and I attempted NEET 2024 this year, and I scored 695 out of 720 with All India rank of 2107. I have been part of Prayas Academy and Shirish Sir's physics from last 2 years, and he is one of the best teachers in all over India. He has cleared all of my doubts, and from the starting unit dimensions to all, in fact, till the end of satellite chapter, I have only studied physics from him. I've never referred another teacher because I didn't feel anything was lacking in his teaching. And he has discussed a lot of problems, and his tests were very accurate and very related to the exam. He clears all of my doubts. It's never happened that I have not I have told him a doubt and it is never clear to me. And the discussion of tests and question solving is very important. And there were two questions in this year's exam that we discussed in before very like December or something, which went wrong during my test, and he told me the concepts of that Brevett's angle and another question of graph reference. And those questions exactly, I would not say exactly, but they were total reference with the sir's discussion. And if I would not attempted that doubt session, then those two questions have would be very fatal. But his guidance is very unique, and I would like to tell he's the best teacher right now in Sangli. I have watched all the teachers. So if you have physics weak as a subject, you can approach him.